Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. Lion's mane mushrooms are back, and this time we're making a super easy, flavorful sheet pan meal. Perfect for those nights when you want gourmet, but you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen or pile up loads of dishes. Yes, we're keeping things super simple and delicious with another one-pan wonder. And if you enjoy sheet pan meals, check out my previous week's video. In this video, we're going to go to umami heaven together with this beautiful teriyaki lion's mane sheet pan meal, which is packed with a wonderful flavor combo and amazing textures. And you won't believe how easy it is. I'm really excited to get started and of course enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! I'll be using 180 grams of lion's mane mushrooms. And I'll be using a perfect blend of veggies for this dish. I trimmed and cut our green beans in half, but you can find the ones that are ready to go. I'm peeling and cubing our sweet potato, but likewise you can find the ones that are pre-prepped. I'm slicing up some red onion now. Aside from buying prepared veggies, you can always prepare some in advance. Now I'm slicing our Chinese eggplant. And I'm slicing our leek. For our veggie marinade, I'm using 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of sesame oil, be sure it's untoasted. And I'm adding a tablespoon of rice vinegar. Whisk everything all up. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. And I'm adding some seaweed seasoning, an optional addition. You may just use salt if you like. Mix up the veggies thoroughly. Now I'm going to coat our lion's mane mushrooms in our spicy ginger teriyaki sauce. Feel free to use the same bowl without rinsing. I'm using a different bowl just for visual appeal. Lion's mane mushroom, a texture supreme. Coated in teriyaki, what a dream. Veggies oiled and seasoned, a perfect team. All on one pan, a culinary scene. No pots or pans, a chef's retreat. Flavor magic you have to meet. The oven's heat, a fragrant delight, a perfect meal for a relaxing night. Grab your fork and dig right in. This one pan meal is a happy win. No mess, no stress, just pure delight. Lion's mane and veggie night. On the sheet pan, I'm keeping the lion's mane mushrooms separate from the veggies so we can have a bit of a flavor contrast. We'll roast this in our oven at 425 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Be sure to flip halfway through. Pair this with rice or grain of your choice. You can use your leftover rice. And they even have pre-cooked rice nowadays you can just heat and serve. For our garnish, we'll sprinkle on our green onions and Thai basil. It's that time again, everyone. I get to try our teriyaki lion's mane sheet pan meal. Lazy nights, gourmet bites. I can already smell what it's gonna taste like. Full-bodied wine might be a little much for this particular dish. Therefore, I recommend a Merlot, Pinot Grigio. Try it out and let me know. So there you have it, everyone. A simple, delicious meal to add to your recipe booklets on those busy work nights when you don't feel like doing much cooking, but you still want to enjoy a delicious gourmet meal. You could just throw this together in no time and have a wonderful, relaxing night. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's gonna be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't wanna miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.